Hello everyone, my name is Mamolemo Koni Sijanamane, currently the acting station manager on the Ultimate Radio.
This is Bitelo Rabele, BTLO.
My name is Bonang Bonita Mudume.
My name is Stable Steps.
My name is Kate.
This is the rebel Reba Philomena Pula.
Hello everyone, this is Yogi.
My name is Queasy.
What's up, good people? My name is Ted.
My name is Diamani Tiny Chuba.
Friends, my name is Daddy Cole.
What's up, people? This is Nox.
You can catch me on the Ultimate Breakfast Reloaded.
I do a show called The Midday Beat.
Catch me live on radio between 12 and 3 weekdays on the Midday Beat.
To catch me on Flight 326.
Catch me live. That is on the UBR.
I do the mid-morning program called Rendezvous.
Every weekday 3 to 6 on Flight 326.
You catch me live on the U Zone 6 up until 9 p.m.
I do Lorenzo from 9 to 12, Thursday to Friday.
I come to you every weekday, Monday to Thursday, on the show called The U Zone.
I do a night pulse show which comes to you Monday to Thursday, 9 o'clock to midnight hour.
The Ultimate Radio, celebrating 15 years of excellence.